Hello, let's talk about something extraordinary. What I did in my teenagers. When I was in 12th grade, then I have a various question. I had a various question. What should be effective and what could be good for math? I like math. In the ninth, 10th, also in 12th. And I made it quickly. And first thing I remember it. I I remembered it and then I put it in questions and then I solve it. But it is not a good learning. I had no idea that time because I had a not environment that time. Today I had an environment. I made it my own environment. But that time I had a no environment. When I questioned my teachers that how this possible and how they become like that and how can realize that this is the main key and I had to put, and they replied, they try to understand me but I don't get it. I did not get it because I had no idea and my mind was stuck that time, and my mind was not able to understand something extraordinary. I want to learn. I want to go ahead beyond my thinking. I want to learn something extraordinary. How can women do it? How can they do it? I only imagine that time, but that is not enough because it passed out with my parents, with my family. That is that is why I am like that. But now I can change something. That time I had a various question. I asked my question and that it is possible. And when I question, sometimes my teachers sat down, say stop, keep quiet and sat down me. But and realized nobody is questioned. Why am only questioned? Then I realized today why I'm questioned because I didn't get it, so I question. Some my failures, my fellow member are not questioned sometimes. Some fellow member are questioned, but all not. When all do it, then it becomes incredible. It is good for thinking, for critical thinking. When that time I was not able to criticize my thinking, that time I was not able to think think beyond my thinking, but that time I only think number is most important and I have to make a topper. It makes sense that time. And my teacher also sent this message through their teaching style, and I was stuck. This is possible, and that time I'm not really, they say that this is true. That time this is possible, I can do it. And some teachers feel like some teacher felt like this student may be good performer, but it doesn't happen. They treat they treat me as a like a topper and then I become a fell down. It's happened really with me, and I learned with these lessons, and I realized no, it can be changed. Why not? And if I had a fixed mindset now, I had a fixed mindset now, but we all are made by two mixtures, that growth mindset and fixed mindset. And sometimes we all have a growth mindset, sometimes we all have a fixed mindset, but we all human made with two mixture, and then it's become a reality. That is why i that is why I was stuck. And I'm not giving you any excuses, this is my lesson that I shared with you. I hope you like it, I hope you don't like it, but this is my experience with my students, with my college, with my all these. But that is not more important. What is important, you don't get stopped, you continually trying to learning. And sometimes that time you are a very jealous person, and that you was a very jealous person. I know that, and I consider myself like I was a jealous person, but now I'm not a jealous person. I jealous, but toward learning. I want to learn. I'm not jealous with the person get a great achievement. Not, I'm not jealous. I want to learn how they get it, and then I can try something more extraordinary with my all daily routine. Then I began to start reading book. This is my first advantage. This is my first step toward my study journey, and I like reading book. I like listening English podcast, and I like to write English, writing English, and I like to reading. When I read books, then I feel very good, extremely good, and it make me feel very good. Then I try it daily. I do it daily. Some little bit. I have some little effort. This little effort would be countable in the future. Maybe or maybe not. I didn't know. I only know that I do it with my best. I try it with my best. I continually doing it. It's never matter it gonna be success, it gonna be failure. Only matter is that I'm learning something. Say wait, I'm not in actionable mood. I know that. I try it. I will try it, and I try to take a more action about it. But now I'm fixed in house. I know that, and this is my deep understanding that no, I have to go out, and still I want to learn. Then it is my I'm giving look at during my situation. I want to just learning, and this is what I can express myself, and this will helpful to during my teaching students, teaching my childs all over, teaching and treat my family as a family. That is the main factor I learned from this all journey. That's good for me. It will started from good writing in Hindi, whatever in Hindi. But I was stupid that time, and I was also today as stupid. I am stupid, but I never get foolish. I will continue this learning process. I didn't give up. I don't give up. Sorry that for that. I used it didn't. I don't give up. This is my today's talking. I hope this is so long. It would be so long. Okay, today is enough. I'm going to for solve my vocabulary. Bye bye.